The red-billed blue magpie, Urocissa erythrorhyncha, is a species of bird in the crow family, Corvidae. It is about the same size as the Eurasian magpie, but has a much longer tail, one of the longest of any corvid. It is 65 to 68 centimeters, 25.5 to 27 in, long and weighs 196 to 232 g, 6.9 to 8.2 ounces. In addition, they are also omnivores with a diet of snakes, mice, small insects, plants, fruits and seeds, wild figs and papayas. They usually store leftover food on the ground and cover it with leaves for food reserves. Sometimes they store food in leaves or tree branches. This bird also behaves monogamously. The female incubates the eggs while the male helps by guarding the nest and incubating the eggs. Their nests are usually found from March to April in forests and weed encounter areas and are mostly built on the higher branches of trees. The shape of the nest is quite unique, like a bowl and winding made of twigs and weeds. In clutch there are usually 3 to 8 eggs which are olive green with dark brown markings. The hatching period is around 17 to 19 days with a 78.3% success rate which will produce 3 to 7 birds per nest. The Taiwan blue magpie bird will struggle to guard and defend its nest. They will attack intruders mercilessly until they retreat and leave their nest environment.